Okay, so hi guys, A1505 here, and today I see a scammer. So I'm just like, I know it's a scam, but you know, whatever. I'm gonna trade this worn because I don't even like it. It's gross. So yeah, I don't care if I get scammed. I'm just showing you that it is a scam. So report kittens 11231, and then probably ripe banana, because of course, like, because he's like, oh, fine, it's a scam. Oh, okay, fine. So it's definitely a scam, but I don't really care at all. So yeah. Maybe actually don't report them. Don't report this person. They might not be in on the scam. All trading. So good. So yeah, guys, I don't really care if I'm scammed because, like, I don't even like that one blanket. But I'm just showing you that it is a scam. So yeah, it's definitely a scam because it's probably gonna unlock me, but I don't really care, honestly. So do I knew it. Huh. I didn't even like that. Oh, I thought I knew you. Oh yeah, I do. Yeah, so yeah, it was obviously a scam. I honestly forgot the user, but just go back into the video and you'll see. But yeah, this is probably a scam also, so I'll get back to you guys when it actually starts. Okay, so the person finally got here, so I'm like, hey yo. So this person has a magenta. Oh, never mind. This person has okay, so this person has a magenta lasso. We'll look up on Wiki how that's actually a thing, but not right now. Probably gonna lock us out. That's funny. That's great. Yeah. So a really nice jammer just gave me a respect scan, a short one, bad one. Well, not. No, I didn't need it that way. I swear, like a bad short. No, it's not bad. It's just okay. But anyway, everyone go subscribe to Darmy. I'll put the link in the description. But it's just yeah. I don't know if this one's a scam. Cool. Oh. Whatever, it's not even like a diamond shop one, but I don't care, screw it, you know, free stuff. I have to spend my diamonds on it, so that's great. Let's take a look here. You look nasty. I need to get on my look because this is gross. Beautiful. Okay. I'm in school 2 days in a row, so that's just great. Awesome. I'll be right back. I need to check if the magenta lasso is actually rare. So it's actually pink. It just looks magenta. Yeah, I'm so dumb. Gosh. Okay, so yeah, let's just sit and wait for him to announce the winner. Okay, so they're spinning. So let's just woot. Yeah, this guy's. I don't know if he was planning to scam with that, but just saying, watch out for this guy. A magenta lasso is not magenta. Well, it is, but it's meant to be in the game. Okay, guys. So I need to screenshot it. So now actually, I'll screenshot it so I got the thumbnail and crap. So. And the others, it doesn't give like sprayers. Jammer is a nice jammer. Happy Feet 8229. So, oh yeah, I got the title. Good jammer versus bad jammer. Semicolon. No, semicolon. Whatever. Good jammer versus bad jammer. Also, magenta Lasso. Okay, so that's gonna be the sick title. Maybe I'll remind with the giveaway, whatever. Okay. What the heck is this masterpiece? Okay, I love it. I'm not saying I don't. Please give me spikes. Congrats, lady. No, I won't say that. That's mean. It's nice jammer. Yeah, so crap, this recording is getting long. Yay, thank you. Yeah, rares. That one person who just like left as soon as they. I'm pretty sure actually the rims that the person might give us is worth more than the Miro spike or whatever. Miro? What am I saying? Okay. Whatever, it's worth more probably. That's fine with me. Oh, yeah, this person's nice jammer versus scammy boy. Nice boy. No. Nice jammer versus scammy jammer. Semicolon. Magenta lasso? Question mark. Exclamation mark. Question mark. I'm so good at this, alright? Yep. Why are these videos always so long? I need to work on that. Don't forget about the giveaway, blah, 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 blah. Oh my god. Okay, there. I was worried I traded them away, but I didn't. This first place plus 2 giant plushies. In case you guys were wondering, those are not beta plushies. They're just giant plushies you can get from the Forgotten Desert. Alright, so don't get confused. Trade me? What does that mean? Trade you? Pretty sure I already got the bad on trade. Oh, no, actually I don't. That's probably what he was trying to say. No, not cat ears. I love my little cat ears. Flower, of course, duh. Can I buy your masterpiece? These masterpieces are hot. Okay, I'll be right back. Oh, okay. Bam! Whoops, I didn't mean to do that. Got free stuff, cool beans. I got rare tiara. Love that. Okay, but I gotta fly. Right. Okay. So all these look really cool. It's like fire. Oh no, it's over the 10-minute mark. Like literally, no one watches to the 10-minute mark, so I gotta stop. Guys, have a good day. Bye. Bye. Blah blah blah. Okay. Bye.